No, bali meron tayong magandang news dito sa ating nabasa, like Davao City, no. Kumbaga gumawa ng record ang Davao City upon opening Landers Davao City branch. Ibig kong sabihin is meron silang ika-14th branch itong Davao City branch, no, throughout the Philippines. And record breaker or record holder itong Davao City branch kasi siya yung may pinakamataas na membership sign up na naganap in day 1 pa lang, no. So ibig sabihin talagang hindi good news siya kasi hindi lang landers ang pwedeng magtayo dito ng mga kagaya nitong negosyo. I mean, may isip ng ibang mga investors, mga business sectors na pupunta rin ng Davao para mag-put up rin ng kanilang negosyo. Kasi kita nila na Davao City nga is never fail when it comes to purchasing power, never fails when it comes to consumerism, no. So ibig sabihin indeed Davao City is third most populous city in the Philippines. So ibig sabihin siya, no, kayang mag-sustain or kayang mag-survive ng isang negosyo dito sa Davao dahil nga sa napakaraming tao dito. And syempre pangalawa ay kahit paano mayroong pera, may pambili, no, mayroong trabaho. So mayroong kakayahang bumili or mag-purchase or mag-avail ng kanilang mga produkto and serbisyo. So considering Landers is siya membership shopping, hindi siya yung kagaya ng mga shopping malls na pangmasa, no. So Landers Davao, Landers Superstore is yun nga exclusive, no, na shopping store, or yun nga hindi siya pangmasa. Like unlike sa mga ibang mga shopping malls nga, as I've said, ng mga grocery store na lahat ay pwedeng pumunta, lahat ay pwedeng makapasok. Whereas dito sa Landers ay hindi lahat hindi lahat ng gustong pumasok is makakapasok kasi required talaga ng registration fee or membership card for as low as 700, 500 pesos, whatever. So yun pa lang, medyo magsisikan thought na yung mga taong magpo-purchase, gustong pumasok sa Landers, like sa membership card pa lang, medyo kung na sila, hindi na nila afford, so what more sa mga produkto sa loob. So yun lang, no. Bali basahin ho natin yung information na nabasa ho natin na article. Okay, Landers and Davao branch, 14th branch in the Philippines. 70,000 members signed up at Landers Davao. With its strategic geographic location and fastest economic development, Landers Superstore chose Davao City and officially opened on Wednesday, December 4, its first branch in Mindanao, just in time for the holiday season. The newest store in Landers is the 14th branch nationwide. A game changer for local consumers and the economy. Landers Superstore in Davao is a membership-only retail warehouse club in Mindanao that offers a membership-based shopping experience featuring a wide variety of discounted local and international products and services. In an ambush interview during its VIP and media preview on Tuesday afternoon, December 3, Bill Cummings, Landers Chief Transformation Officer or CTO, emphasized that this new retail business has the potential to grow in the future, which seeks to redefine value, quality, and convenience while concentrating on satisfying the demands of today's consumers. We are excited to be here because of the growth prospect of Mindanao, not only in the province but in the city in particular. We have really awesome teams and their whole job is to identify the proper location for future expansion, the official said. He added that the new store promises to offer a wide selection of premium goods at affordable costs that catered to the tastes and the preferences of its diverse customer base. We are super excited to be here, not only because we are helping the country, but we are also sourcing locally. We are also providing our customers and members with outstanding member value, he stated, adding the unique features of Landers, especially in its food and fruits section that showcases a freshly harvested in Davao region. Record-breaking membership count. Cummings said that Landers has at least more than 70,000 members in Davao City alone, a groundbreaking accomplishment for their ever-growing business. Davao is the biggest opening that we have ever had in Landers in terms of members. The number of members that we had already signed up is number 1 in the entire history. We are extremely excited about the future of this particular market, the businessman said. Meanwhile, Davao City Councilor Tic Ocampo, who graced the event, told Sunstar Davao in an ambush interview that with the opening of the renowned supermarket, Landers is positioned to become a major player not just in the local retail but also to Davao's robust economy. Kanindot ani is makatabang ni sa atong ekonomiya in terms of taxes, and we can also generate job opportunities. The good thing about this is that this will help our economy in terms of taxes, and we can also generate job opportunities, the politician said. Owned and run by Southeast Asia Retail Incorporated, Landers Superstore is a chain of exclusive retail warehouse clubs in the Philippines. On June 22, 2016, the first Landers Superstore facility opened along Epifanio de los Santos Avenue or EDSA in Barangay Balintawak, Quezon City, wherein the Mega White Building Corporation serve as the primary contractor for the building of several of the store's Metro Manila locations. On May 9, 2017, Landers launched a branch in Cebu City, extending its reach outside of Metro Manila. So bali ang mga lugar pala dito sa Landers na tinayuan nila. Ang mga lugar sa Pilipinas na tinayuan ng Landers branch ay unang-una ay sa Balintawak, sa may Quezon City. Kung familiar ho ninyo yung lugar na yon, sa kung hindi, so search nila sa Google Mapa. Pangalawa is Otis. Pangatlo sa Cebu, pang-apat ang Alabang West, pang-apat na yung Arcovia City, Uptown Bonifacio, UP Town Center, Angeles Arc South, Novale, Bacolod, Fairview, and Naga. So ibig sabihin parang pinaka-latest na inopen na Landers branch sa Pilipinas na sinundan ng Davao City is Naga City. So Naga City, that's makikita sa may Bicol region, probinsya ng Camarines or lugar ni dating Vice President Leni Robredo. So so congratulations sa ating mga taga Davao, gawa nung napaka-effective ng masasabi nating yung culture of safety and security culture sa Davao City, So kumbaga hindi ko talaga maiwasan na ma-link siya sa mga Duterte family, kasi yun nga, kung hindi dahil if it wasn't for them, wala tayong ganitong kagandang Davao City, wala tayong ganito progresibo na syudad, Siyempre, paano magiging progressive yung isang lugar kapag ka-infested naman talaga siya ng insurgency and lawlessness, violence, diba? So Davao City is indeed an effective city para sa pag-i-invest ng mga negosyo, kasi ito nga si Landers talagang nasiyahan sila kasi nga nakapag registered, or napakaraming nag-registered, hindi bababa sa 70,000 members. So ibig sabihin nun, record breaking ho siya sa entire history ho nila. So siya, good news, great news. So syempre malaman niya ng mga ibang negosyante, so it will draw more opportunities sa Davao, ng mga trabaho. It will draw parang mag-a-attract siya ng iba pang mga negosyante to put up their businesses or mag-expand sila ng negosyo nila dito sa Davao City. At yun na nga, ang susunod niyan is mag-generate ng trabaho, tapos yung tax collection natin is lalaki, diba? So mas yayaman lalo ang Davao City. And isa pa dyan, yung ating mga local produced products like mga durian, mga fresh fruits, and vegetables is talagang mabibenta, kasi maraming mga shoppers, maraming pupunta at it will create basta siya, domino effects, So yung syudad is ligtas tirahan, ligtas mag-invest, mamumuhunan, Tapos ang syudad ay kahit na paano maraming mga may trabaho ang mga tao, hindi man na talagang super duper rich, pero may mga trabaho, may kita. So enough siya, no, makaka-sustain talaga siya sa isang businesses, lalo na sa mga retails businesses, di ba? Sa mga ganyan. So yung kumbaga ang masses, no, so bibili ng mga pagkain, prutas, o ano ba mga serbisyo at mga produkto nila. So ibig sabihin mabubuhay. Kumbaga win-win situation siya. So si Landers owner and company ay kikita ng husto sa Davao City, and at the same time mga taga Davao City ay mag-i-enjoy din sila, no, sa mga sahod nila. Talagang meron silang mga options, no, marami silang mapagpipilian dito sa Davao City. Tayo, no, kung saan tayo pupunta na matikalidad at sulit ang pera.